I am Bignion. I work at MAN since 2018 as a prime-serve automation engineer. As a superintendent engineer in the automation department, extensive travel is an integral part of my role. Approximately 130 days each year are dedicated to business trips, primarily involving older engines. During these trips, my main task is to upgrade the old engine controls with what we call retrofit. This means fitting the engine control of the new building to fit our older engines. What I really enjoy about my job is that I get to work hands-on, directly with the product. I can see the immediate results of my work, which is pretty cool. I prefer working independently and being on-site rather than sitting at a desk. Our team at the PrimeServe Automation Center has a great team spirit and we work really well together. The travel also gives me more free time when I'm at home. Together with a colleague, I spend a good amount of my time in our hobby workshop near Augsburg. There, we work on our off-road vehicles, which we use for all sorts of tours and camping trips around Europe. I'm also into riding my dirt bike. I work on it and use it for off-road trips across Europe as well, which I really enjoy. I am proud to work at MAN because the work of our department contributes to keeping the traditional engine manufacturer MAN capable of tackling the future. I am Bignion. I work at MAN since 2018 as a PrimeServe automation engineer. We are moving big things to zero.